At Manukai, our vision is to become the leading AI technology company for manufacturing. And we do that by creating new AI models that allow our clients to unlock the value of their vast manufacturing data. The Talent Kick program helped a lot to frame this to the point, right? So you need to step down from this very big vision to something very concrete, very precise, problem precise, market precise, business model in the end.
So where do we stand right now? We have pilot customers. We roll out the software and test it with them, and then we also have 2 larger corporate clients. With these 5 clients that we signed in our first year, we're really proud of.
For me, the most important transition that you have to do mentally from being in a school or university setting where you get an exercise and you solve it, I think that's not really how entrepreneurship works. It's a constant iteration, you constantly need to talk, and I think it's very important to expose yourself, so you have to maybe be wrong, maybe fail, and I think that's the advancements that you're gonna get, where you're gonna kind of get directed. Talent Kick was super useful to getting exposure to the local ecosystem, right? Everyone, as you know today, right, has all this media and exposure to so much information. And I think Talent Kick was very helpful to cutting through that, exposing you to the right people, and we were able to onboard an experienced mentor. We were able to onboard first angel investments, and now currently closing our pre-seed round, and now a team of 5. So everything is going onward and upward.